How to disable sync contacts on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable sync contacts on TikTok mobile. First thing, open TikTok and then just click here, and now click the story lines in the top corner, and after you click on it just click settings and privacy, and here you will find this one, privacy, and then click sync contacts and Facebook friends, and here we'll find sync contacts. If you want to disable it just click on it, and as you see sync contacts have been disabled. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.